Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a werewolf. So it's going to be simple, easy for beginners, and I'll walk you through the whole process. So let's get started, all right? I'm going to go over here, and I'll stay till the very end, by the way. I'm going to do something to the drawing that'll tie it together. So down over here for that angry eye, up over here, up, curve underneath. Curve underneath here, and curve underneath here. Pulling zigzag lines here for the brow on the top. Line over here. And we're going to do the front here to the snout, to like the nose basically. Curve for the top of the nose. Another curve top of the nose here, and they're going to merge. They're going to pull back, curve down, curve up here, and up here. Far side of the snout, and I'm going to pull some sharp teeth lines underneath here for like the bottom of the jaw sticking up. Right there. Just like these zigzag. It's just a zigzag pattern really. Or a bunch of triangles and stuff. Pulling down here, up. Curve over here. Over there, and I'm gonna find the far side cheek on that side. Gonna go over here and pull a line for the top of the head here, underneath, under here, curve line here for the cheek, down, and line under here. So we're gonna show some sharp teeth in his mouth there, like he's gritting his teeth. So I'm gonna go over here and just draw like a zigzag pattern all the way in there. I'm gonna draw the actual kind of teeth stuck in there. Gonna go over here on this side, pulling down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up here, up. Pulling back here on the jaw. And I'm gonna pull over here. I'm gonna find the ear on the far end. Pull in. Over here. Down. Over here. Line over here. Line over here. Over here, the teeth here. So now we're kind of like, okay, you have the general head right here, and we're just gonna throw like details. So a lot of it's like this thin zigzags, right? Thin, meaning I'm putting less weight on my marker so that the attention doesn't get taken away, you know? Throwing a darker line here around the outside of the eye so it looks deeper and more sunken in. Same thing right here, throwing these thin lines that go with kind of the flow of the with the entire flow of everything, right? With the hair. So like the hair is going to flow back this way, right? Be really thin. There. And right here. Now, the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a thick line around the entire outer edge. It's going to be around the contour. Here. Right there. And what that does is it contains a lot of the complexity in the character. If you have any, by the way, I want to keep this channel running all year, like I always say. Make suggestions for anything scary, anything like there's scary creatures online, because I know there's a lot of cool creatures online, I've been saying, but I don't know the names of these things sometimes. Can you guys please, throw out some names of something scary that I can draw, because this whole thing is going to be dedicated to scary drawings through the year, and I'm going to be posting once every day. So that's kind of the plan right now. But I'll post a lot more if you guys give me more suggestions. I can post maybe like, because I'm posting every weekday. I can post every single day if you guys give me some stuff to post, I'm going to fill a nose just a bit here and leave nostrils like that. And I might even throw in a line here. There you go. And that's it. I want to thank you very much. Like I said, share the video if you did enjoy it. It helps the channel out, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? But also stick around for the announcement right now, okay? See you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later. And hopefully I'll catch you over there later.